What's up, guys? I got another sneaker for you in 4K, shot in a 5D Mark IV, Canon 5D Mark IV. This is the Jordan Why Not Zero Westbrook sneaker. I had another pair of Why Not 31s, which I thought were really fly. Sadly, I don't have them. I do regret getting rid of those shoes, kind of. I could have bought them for very cheap at some point, but I missed out on them. And I'm pretty sad about that. So here's the box. As you can see, there's a lot going on. I think it says Westbrook. Maybe like that's a R and that's a W, like Russell Westbrook? I don't know. God knows. It's a pretty clean box. Let's open it up here. More of the same funky wrapping paper. And these are the sneakers. Very interesting Nike tag. Honestly, I think this is pretty old school. Information card on the sneakers. Now, if you want, you can read that because I do shoot in 4K, but I don't speak those languages, I think. Is there any English on here? I'm pretty certain there's no English on here. Maybe this is the English portion? Nope. Maybe the English portion is on the other sneaker. Sadly, there is no English portion. This is the Westbrook Why Not Zero. And this is honestly the first time I'm looking at these sneakers. I'm still surprised that I can't find the English information book section on these sneakers. I guess it says Argentina, Chile, Paraguay, and Uruguay. So I'm not sure why this card is here, but it's a pretty classic Nike thing, I think. Pretty awesome little strap across the shoe right here. That same Russell Westbrook type logo right there. And I really like how these are similar to like Jordan 18s with the complete covering up here. And I think this reminds me about the Jordan 15s, this little material here. And right here, if you can read this, it says engineered for flight. And maybe if I wear these, I'll be able to dunk one day. God knows. These are pretty fly shoes. Jordan logo. Maybe someone will throw them on here. Gotta open them up right now. Loosen them up like crazy. Let's look at the lacing mechanism for a second. This strap right here. Oh, it says why not. That was a surprise. That was definitely a surprise. This strap right here is connected to these lacing mechanisms. So if you tighten this, I think this portion of the shoe will also get tighter right here. That's cool. And then you have that Kobe. Actually, this makes an appearance in many shoes, Gatorade 6s and stuff like that too. But the fact that the lacing system is all covered is very Kobe-esque. Or it reminds me of the Kobe NXT HMDs that I had recently. I wonder if I uploaded a video on those. And let's see how easily you can loosen these shoes up. I think it's probably pretty difficult. Oh, another thing I noticed right here is, I don't know if you can see, but this is all one part of shoe right here. See right here? That means it's very difficult to put these on if they don't fit you. So it's going to be tough for me to put these on considering they're a size 10. So maybe I have to get someone else to throw these on. As you can see inside the shoe, it says a lot of little things. A lot of little things are going on. This is Russell Westbrook's family shield from back in the day. They were gladiators, and RRS stands for his grandfathers that won like battles and stuff, I think. I could be wrong about that. But as usual, I'll have someone throw these on foot and we'll see how they look. Dog. Alright, so we got them in frame here and on foot. The lacing system is kind of confusing to use at first for some people, as you can see. Maybe if I was putting them on, I could figure it out quicker, but you never know. Maybe I'd have more trouble. It's pretty simple. I'm just kidding, but it's a pretty interesting shoe. The strap hides the laces really well, I must admit. I'm going to keep this little Spanish Nike tag on because this is not my size and I got the wrong size by accident. So let's just see the side of the shoe, because the side is what matters, you know? Maybe we should like move back a little bit. Let's do that. That looks really fly, doesn't it? Just move back. And now let's get this in focus here. The insides are interesting. Let's see the side though, because the side is what matters. That's where it is, right there. All the magic is right there. The Jordan logo right on the front of the shoe I find very interesting. It's a pretty fly sneaker. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. But before you do that, probably subscribe so you can get more 4K content on brand new sneakers. Or relatively new sneakers, because I know these are like a week old now. It does say why not inside. I think that's pretty fly. I wish it was that clear, like without the strap. I wish it said why not on the front of the strap. I think that'd be cool. All in all, the sneaker's pretty fly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Goodbye.